After months of speculation, satellite captures, cryptic supplier movements, leaked internal memos, and conversations between industry insiders that never made it to the public, the truth has finally surfaced. The first dedicated production line for the 2026 Tesla Model 2 Senior Edition is no longer a rumor, is a fully operational, precision-engineered, hyper-optimized machine already pushing the boundaries of what a sub-$30,000 electric vehicle can be. But the biggest shocker isn't that Tesla built this line. The shocker is how fast they built it, why it was built so quietly, and what this specialized line is actually engineered to produce. And underneath all of that is a growing whisper from thousands of future buyers, especially Americans over the age of 50. They want to know whether this senior edition is truly re-engineered for them. Not just another model to variant dressed up with softer seats. They want to know whether Tesla's promise of comfort, ease, accessibility, and simplified ergonomics is real. Today, for the first time, we finally have enough evidence to answer those questions. Before we jump deeper into the engineering behind this breakthrough, a warm hello from all of us at AutoGearShift. If you've been following the channel, you know we cut through the noise and bring you the real EV insights, not the recycled headlines. And if you want to help us push past 16,789 subscribers, tap that subscribe button and ring the notification bell. Think of it as your signal to the YouTube algorithm saying, "Give me the real Tesla news, not the fluff." So, how did Tesla manage to stand up a Model the Senior Edition production line at a pace that beats every sub-$30,000 EV in modern history? And not just by a little. This wasn't a 3-year billion-dollar overhaul. This was a surgical extraction of inefficiencies, a reinvention of process flow, and a lightning-fast installation that has left industry analysts scratching their heads. The entire line went from first equipment arrival to calibration mode in about 82 days. 82. That time frame is not just fast, it borders on engineering insanity. That's not just a few conveyors and robots placed in position. That's a complete ecosystem of specialized giga-casting equipment, robotic machining corridors, battery integration modules, interior ergonomic assembly cells, and synchronized software that ties everything together without bottlenecks. Unlike legacy automakers, who tend to retrofit slow conveyor systems into old buildings and hope it works out, Tesla threw out the old rulebook entirely. What they built is a hybrid, linear, cellular manufacturing line where giga-casting, battery installation, and interior assembly don't feed in one long chain, they feed simultaneously through parallel microstations. Instead of long, slow, linear motion, Tesla built something closer to a circulatory network. Parts move less, people move less, robots move smarter, and the car advances through fewer but faster, more precise stages. Every inch of this line exists to eliminate wasted movement, reduce welding steps, boost output speed, and shrink takt time to an unexpectedly small footprint. At the heart of this production line sits to 6,500 tune Hydra giga-casting presses, one for the rear structure and one for the front. These presses were delivered in staggered shipments over a tight 15-day window and assembled on reinforced concrete bases with vibration dampening, plates thick enough to handle the brutal cycling force of structural castings. These machines don't just replace welding. They replace hundreds of individual stamped steel panels that legacy automakers still assemble with spot welds, bolts, brackets, and sealant. In the Senior Edition's case, nearly 270 pieces become 2 massive castings. The benefit? The car becomes lighter, stronger, more uniform, and drastically cheaper to assemble. What's even more interesting is the quiet redesign of the alloy composition. Tesla adjusted the formulation to reduce brittleness and eliminate 1.3 kilograms of unnecessary ribbing, which not only improves injection flow, but significantly lowers defect rates per cycle. This means less trimming, fewer rejects, and higher throughput per hour. From there, these giant castings flow into what Tesla calls the short travel machining corridor, only 31 meters long. To put that into context, Volkswagen's ID.3 machining corridor is about 52 meters. That difference alone shaves roughly 14 seconds off each unit. It may sound small, but once you scale it across 100,000 units per year, it saves more than 390 hours of cycle time annually. Those hours translate to more cars, lower costs, and faster deliveries. Next comes the structural battery pack integration. Instead of the wide-format pack design seen in the Model Y, the Senior Edition uses a narrow pack module that improves cabin height, lowers the center of gravity, and reduces interior intrusion. The battery is lifted into the cast frame using a triple synchronized robotic arm, calibrated to an insane tolerance of plus or minus 0.7 millimeters. Most automakers struggle to maintain tolerances under 3 millimeters. Tesla's margin is tighter than some aerospace installations. Because of this, no additional shimming is required, saving more than 5 minutes per vehicle. 5 minutes may seem minor, but again spread across over 100,000 vehicles a year, it creates a massive compounding effect that allows Tesla to keep the Senior Edition under the $30,000 price range even with upgraded ergonomic features. And now we get to the part that genuinely sets the Senior Edition apart: interior assembly. This is where Tesla took comfort and accessibility extremely seriously. Everything from door hinge resistance to seat rail angle to steering linkage friction has been redesigned with older drivers in mind. Instead of building the interior piece by piece on the main line, Tesla created a dedicated ergonomic cabin module cell. This cell is just 18 meters away from the main conveyor, which drastically reduces part travel time. Inside this cell, pre-assembled components like the wider angle seat rails, low-effort doors, soft-load, glove compartment, and smoother steering linkage are built into a single cabin block. Think of it like an airplane fuselage section. Everything is aligned, tested, and secured before it ever touches the main line. Then the entire cabin block is robot-indexed into the frame in one precise movement. This technique, borrowed from the aerospace sector, reduces labor, lowers misalignment risks, and delivers a level of consistency that older drivers will appreciate. When someone over 50 sits in this car, Tesla wants them to feel the comfort difference instantly. What ties all of this together is the modular design of the line itself. Unlike GM or Toyota, who rely on single long conveyors, Tesla built the Senior Edition line as a 5-zone modular ecosystem. Each zone operates independently, but communicates with the others through factory-level AI. If one station slows down, reroutes happen instantly. If a microstation detects a fault in a part, the entire zone adjusts instead of shutting down the line. In effect, Tesla created a flexible, adaptive manufacturing environment, something legacy automakers will spend years trying to replicate. But the real story is why Tesla built this line so fast. According to leaked supplier activity, unexpected nighttime equipment deliveries, and calibration logs detected by analysts, it appears Tesla was preparing for a surge in demand for the Senior Edition long before the public ever heard of it. With more than 120 million Americans over 50, and with electric vehicles becoming easier to maintain than gas cars, Tesla knows this demographic could become the next massive growth market. Unlike younger buyers, older buyers prioritize comfort, simplicity, safety, and reliability over sportiness. Tesla is designing the Senior Edition to be easier to get in and out of, easier to steer, easier to park, softer on the road, and more intuitive for drivers who don't want hundreds of settings buried in menus. As the line accelerates toward full-scale production, analysts believe the first units could roll off earlier than expected, possibly as early as late Q to 2026. Tesla isn't just preparing to launch a new version of the Model 2. They're preparing to redefine what a comfort-focused, senior-friendly electric compact car looks like. The secret behind the speed, it wasn't just engineering. It wasn't just automation. It was intent. Tesla knew exactly what demographic they were targeting, exactly what price point they needed to hit, and exactly how fast they needed to build the production line to get there before competitors even understood what was happening. This Senior Edition may end up becoming the most important compact EV Tesla has ever built.